Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 30. We make this 3D model in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Start the part drawing. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. At the start, we select the top plane for the sketch. And draw a rectangular profile with all circles according to dimensions. Then extrude them one by one up to given dimensions. Next, we make this profile on the right side face and extrude it. Then mirror it for another solid. Our 3D model should be completed. Let's start modeling. Select the top plane for the sketch. Take a center rectangle tool. Start drawing with the origin point in this direction. Like this. Enter the 80 mm width of the rectangle. If we calculate the total length. So, we got 120 mm length for the rectangle. Draw the circle of diameter 80 with the origin point. Draw this circle of diameter 30 with the same center point. Once draw the circle of diameter 60 with the same center point. We extrude them one by one as shown in the diagram. Take Extrude tool from the Feature tab. Here multiple profiles are detected. Now we go with Select Counters. Select the smallest circle in the rectangle. Switch Extrude direction and enter the extruding value 15 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Now we make this inside collar, which is deep 15 mm from the top face. And height is 20 mm. That means we have to extrude this collar up to 5 mm. Just expand the first extrude feature and select Sketch 1. Select Extruded Boss tool and select this middle circle profile for extruding. Make sure direction is set toward the upside. Enter the extruding value 5 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Now we extrude this outer collar. Once select Sketch 1. Select Extruded Boss tool and select this outer circle profile for extruding. Make sure direction is set toward the upside. Enter the extruding value of 20 mm. See, our first step is completed. Now we make this profile. Select this face for the sketch. Select the Straight Slot tool. And start to draw from the midpoint of this edge to the downside. Enter 50 mm length of the slot. And 80 mm width of the slot. Take Line tool. Joint these two endpoints of the arc. Draw the circle of diameter 32 with the center of the bottom arc. Take Extrude tool from the Feature tab. Here multiple profiles are detected. Now we select this bottom side of the sketch. Here we need to switch extrude direction. Enter the extruding value of 20 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Now we mirror this solid for another side. Select Last Extrude feature. Select Mirror tool from the Feature tab. Here we required one plane for the mirror axis. Drop down the part history and select the right plane. See the preview and click on OK. Our 3D model is completed. Apply any appearance for this model, as you like or as per your requirement. I hope all steps are you understood. Keep practice to make this model. If you have any questions, so comment to me. As soon as possible I'll answer you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise video. Have a nice day.